You're watching Goode Entertainment.
Hi guys, I'm Christina Goode of Goode Entertainment, and I'm coming right back at you with another reaction video. This video is Born to Kill, an Easter EAS scenario by the channel SPCHermitage 1258. Alright, that is kind of wacky. This was suggested by and they sent us an email, but they did not hashtag it Christina Goode Time, so we decided to make the assumption that it was going to be me reacting to it. You gotta include that hashtag Christina Goode Time, otherwise we won't know who it is that you want to see it. So we made that assumption, like I said. You guys, it's very easy on how you can suggest a video you want me to react to. Just send us an email, leave the video link. If you only want me to react to it, then just hashtag it Christina Goode Time. There is the screen recorder up, and there is the little ribbon. I may do this in two parts, so you know. Let's go. Ready, and boom. It is a blessing. Yep. It's D-Y-E, not D-I-E. Yep, this is gonna give me nightmares. Wow. At nighttime. Yeeks! Damn.
The following message was transmitted at the request of the Louisville Police Department. At 1:30 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, several residents of the city of Louisville reported seeing a mysterious creature roaming around the city. It is unknown what this creature is and what its intentions are. Many people believe that they were woken up by quote-unquote haunting noises. As a precaution, all residents of the city of Louisville are advised to remain vigilant at this time, as danger is not necessarily present in the area. Tuned into local media outlets for more information on this situation.
Oh, okay, good. No annotations.
Civil danger for the city of Louisville. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Louisville Police Department. Residents of the city of Louisville, lock all of your doors immediately. At 8:30 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, the creature that was seen at 1:30 a.m. has been identified. Multiple reports have stated that this is a rabbit-like creature that has the following characteristics: flat on parts of its white fur, teeth the size of a tiger, claws the size of a bear, and red, glowing eyes. This creature was also seen carrying a massive knife. Due to this creature having extremely dangerous characteristics, all residents of the city of Louisville are strongly advised to remain indoors, as this creature may start attacking people at any time. Do not approach this creature, as it is considered potentially dangerous.
Oh boy.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Louisville Police Department. The creature, now named the Killer Easter Bunny, was seen breaking into people's homes, brutally attacking them, mostly children between the ages of 3 and 14, across the city of Louisville. This creature attacks its victims by sinking its massive fangs and claws into the victim's skin, suffocating them, then stabbing the victim with its massive knife, killing them instantly. This creature is considered extremely dangerous to children and should not be approached. All residents of the city of Louisville, keep your children in your homes immediately and lock all windows and doors to prevent an encounter with this creature. If this creature enters your home, defend yourself by any means necessary. Stay tuned to this station for more information on this dangerous situation.
Mm-hmm. Oh my gosh. Abduction.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Louisville Police Department. An amber alert has been issued for the entire state of Kentucky. Police officials are looking for 6 children that were abducted from different homes in the city of Louisville.
Oh my god. Oh shit. Oh good lord.
The first child is Liam Smith, a white male, 14 years old, date of birth February 18, 2005, 5 feet 6 inches tall, weighs 140 pounds, with brown hair and blue eyes. He was last seen wearing a blue t-shirt, black shorts, and black basketball shoes. The second child is Eddie Harris, a white female, 13 years old, date of birth July 2, 2005, 5 feet 3 inches tall, weighs 115 pounds, with blonde hair and blue eyes. She was last seen wearing a white t-shirt, blue jean shorts, and white bounce shoes. The third child is Kylie Williams, a white female, 12 years old, date of birth January 11, 2007, 5 feet tall, weighs 97 pounds, with brown hair and brown eyes. She was last seen wearing a pink t-shirt with blue jeans and white Converse shoes.
The funny thing is the scariest movie that I've ever seen so far is the 2010 version of Don't Be Afraid of the Dark with Bailey Madison, Guy Pearce, all that jazz. The story to that movie, it was actually quite similar to this right here. The small creatures, they actually feed on the on the bones and teeth of young children. So far this is not really getting me that hard.
The fourth child is Aaron Miller, a white male, 11 years old, date of birth April 3rd, 2008, 4 feet 11 inches tall, weighs 89 pounds, with black hair and blue eyes. He was last seen wearing a red t-shirt, black shorts, and black sandals. The fifth child is Noah Martin, a white male, 10 years old, date of birth October 14th, 2008, 4 feet 7 inches tall, weighs 76 pounds, with red hair and brown eyes. He was last seen wearing a black t-shirt, gray shorts, and gray tennis shoes.
This presentation almost sounds like it's something that you would see with like a 911 operator type video, pretty much, and it all just be audio recorded. Well, this is slightly similar to that.
The sixth child is Jen Ross Anderson, a white female, 9 years old, date of birth March 15th, 2010, 4 feet 8 inches tall, weighs 68 pounds, with brown hair and blue eyes. She was last seen wearing a navy blue t-shirt, black shorts, and black shoes. All 6 children were abducted by the killer Easter Bunny, who was responsible for several deaths and injuries of other children around the area.
Yep.
This creature is considered extremely dangerous and should not be approached. It is unknown where the creature is taking the children to. It is believed that the children are in extreme danger. If you see the children described or the creature, call 911 immediately. All residents of the city of Louisville are advised to remain indoors at this time. Make sure all children are in a room with as few doors and windows as possible.
Okay, this sounds like a very dangerous lockdown.
Stay tuned to this station for more information on this dangerous situation.
There's going to be a part 2 for this one. You can find that link down in the description down below. To support the channel, you can donate through Streamlabs below. PayPal is the only form of payment that we can accept right now. You can follow me on my personal Facebook page at christina.goody.5891. You can also follow us on our main Facebook page at Goody Entertainment 12. Links to our sister channels are in the description down below, and I will see you guys next time. Stay cool and be awesome.